Hey, this is Joe, and this is the tear down of the old gas station in Delaware. So the roof is off, the garage is down too. These were the old lights that were in the gas station service bay. Fortunately, a lot of this lumber is not going to be saved, but all the manufactured tin and stuff, it will be saved. And that's all the structures. And then here's inside. There was metal tin along the roof, and then there was tins on the roof as well. That's the first bathroom. Then there's the little utility closet, and then the women's bathroom is on the other side. These are the metal tins that were on the roof. And then there's all the angled cut ones in that room there. And then this room, it might be hard to tell, but that's the original ceiling tiles, and that was out in the other room as well. And so yeah, now it's just all being taken apart. It's going to be, this Octagon building's going to Kansas. And then the one out there, the garage, is going to Missouri. Sad to see them go, but they are being saved.